Arbitrage is often portrayed as a quick and easy way to make money from cryptocurrency trading in many online videos. However, the reality is much more complicated. Even if you find a price discrepancy between exchanges, you have to consider various fees, such as trader and maker fees. Typically, these tutorials refer to taker fees, which apply when you buy a coin at a lower price on one platform and sell it at a higher price on another. Moreover, regulations on different exchanges can pose significant challenges. Some platforms require you to complete a minimum number of transactions, undergo KYC verification, or be a citizen of a specific country to withdraw funds. These requirements can make it difficult to transfer your money after buying a cheap currency. Additionally, successful arbitrage requires a substantial capital investment, often around $1,000 or more. This amount is not feasible on lesser-known or unregulated exchanges. Most regulated exchanges have similar spreads, making significant profits through arbitrage unlikely. In fact, you may end up losing money due to trading fees and other costs. Many YouTube videos claim that arbitrage is a foolproof way to make money, but this is misleading. If you want to succeed in trading cryptocurrencies, stocks, or forex, you need to approach it without taking unnecessary risks. Start by learning and conducting thorough analysis, possibly even developing your own tools or using reliable ones. Be wary of videos promoting quick wealth through arbitrage, especially those sponsored by dubious sources. Recently, there have been scams involving malicious scripts that require you to deposit Ethereum for gas fees into a wallet, only to steal your funds. These scams often target individuals looking for fast profits without understanding the complexities involved. I would like to highlight an important issue. Recently, scammers have been using Solidity scripts to steal money. They create these malicious scripts and deploy them on various platforms, such as unfamiliar websites or even on known platforms like Remix IDE. When you run these scripts, your funds can be siphoned from your MetaMask wallet to the scammer's account. They manipulate the code to ensure the stolen money is routed through their system. Therefore, it's crucial to be cautious with Solidity scripts. In conclusion, be cautious and informed when considering arbitrage or any other trading strategy. Focus on education, risk management, and thorough analysis to make sound investment decisions. If you're serious about making money, you should focus on learning how to trade Forex and other markets. Spend at least 2 years studying market behavior and trading on demo accounts before risking real money. It's recommended not to trade more than 3% of your capital on any single trade and to understand market phases thoroughly. Personally, I have developed a trading robot which took 6 months to create. This robot has been tested rigorously, including cross-validation tests and optimization. It has been running successfully for the past 6 months, doubling the account it trades on. I'm currently using it for my purposes and plan to sell it in the future. If you're interested, I can provide preset files and installation instructions. This robot works exclusively for gold on the MetaTrader 5 MT5 platform and operates on a 1-hour time frame, utilizing 4 strategies simultaneously. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.